Hi, this is John Reed. I'm joined by Doug, and we are with Core Engineering, and your product is called Mach2. And we have a super cool demo you're going to show me here on the show floor of Plex. You guys essentially talk with the Plex Manufacturing Cloud, right?
Absolutely, yes. We execute web services to talk to Plex Manufacturing Cloud.
Right, and what do we got going on here with the ping pong balls?
So here we've created a machine to represent a shop floor manufacturing system.
Right.
It starts with feeding in a ping pong ball.
Right.
Oranges are considered good in production, greens are considered bad and scrap.
Right.
So it's taking that ball over to the color sensor, it's checking it's orange, it's good. Hey, we filled the standard pack quantity, so it's now going to dump those.
Right.
But over here we recorded production.
Success.
And over here we printed barcode labels.
And there's the labels for those parts. Okay. So, and then also you're tracking like the number of successes and also the number of rejects.
So what's happening is, as we're talking to the PLC for this machine, we are capturing that just one ping pong ball has been loaded so far. So we have one on our screen. Once we get to the standard pack of 10, we're going to execute a Plex web service transaction to talk to the Plex Manufacturing Cloud. And we're going to put the record production transaction in Plex. So our system is not only talking to the PLC, it's providing the logic to accumulate the individual pieces. Here's a green one. This is a scrap one. So as it takes it, it's going to go over to the color sensor.
Yep. This is a reject.
It's going to recognize it's scrap, and it's going to drop it in the scrap bin, and we're going to record scrap in Plex automatically.
So if I'm a Plex customer, this is an example of what you're going to have. I'm going to have like a server in my plant.
Exactly. There's going to be a server in your plant, and this is the visualization of the data flowing through that server. And this is the big version of that.
This is the bigger version of it, right?
Of the same screen. As that data flows through, though, we can accumulate it and do all kinds of dashboarding and OEE reporting.
Right.
So OEE, availability, quality, performance, availability in a Gantt chart, production in different charts, and etc. So this is a plant in Ohio that's live and really using the system.
Got it.
And we are capturing every real cycle of their machine every minute and 1.7 minutes.
So if I'm a customer of Plex Manufacturing Cloud, what am I getting from your service that I didn't get before? Is it the difficulty of my equipment actually getting data that I can see in a visual form? And
yeah, you're getting two things. One is the visualization of the data that was flowing from the machine before it got to Plex. So Plex only knows when you record production or when you record scrap. We're going to know every cycle of the machine, so we can give you better visualizations. Second is we're going to give you automation to do the recording of the production and those transactions. So we're going to execute web services rather than an operator having to use the control panel to execute those transactions.
And I heard you saying you do it all with SOAP APIs, is that right? Connecting directly to Plex?
Yes, Plex currently uses a SOAP API to call data sources to execute the transactions. They're moving to a RESTful API, and we're already prepared to move to the RESTful API as well.
Got it. And you said something like 10% of Plex customers are...
We have a little over 100 plants using ours, so about 10% of Plex's customer base is using our product.
And judging from what I just saw, a lot more people are knocking on your door. So.
Yeah, we have great location here, so everyone loves to stop by.
And a super nifty ping pong exhibit to draw people in. Well, thanks a lot for your time, Doug.
You're welcome.